Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Google announcing their gaming platform today. Before I do so, let's take a look at the price movement and statistics. So Alphabet, which is the parent company of Google, ticker symbol GOOGL, today up 1.17%. Past year up 9.43%. Past 5 years up 103.65%. Taking a look at the statistics, it's on the higher end of the 52-week range. Market cap is $826 billion, and P/E ratio is 27.53. Dividend yield is also zero, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. Also looking at AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, which actually surged today, up 11.83%, after hours up 1.73%, because they announced their partnership with Google in providing some of the infrastructure for the Stadia project. Past year up 131%, past 5 years up 581.7%. And in terms of statistics, it's on the higher end of the 52-week range. Market cap is $23.37 billion. P/E ratio is 81.4, and dividend yield is zero, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. So as I mentioned, Google announced their gaming platform called Stadia, which promised a more unified experience of playing, watching, and building games. And at the Game Developers Conference, Google CEO Sundar Pichai, he introduces the next big effort, which is to build a game platform for everyone. And then Google's Phil Harrison says there's a universe of people who love playing games, and there's a universe of people who love watching games, but those are a fragmented universe. And he plans to, with this solution, he plans to combine those two. And the suggestion is that YouTube will serve as the spectator platform, very similar to Twitch, which is Amazon's video streaming platform. And then the company now has the ability to take the sophisticated game like Assassin's Creed Odyssey, which was the subject of last fall's Project Stream test, and offer it via the cloud as quickly as 5 seconds, which is very fast in terms of performance. Then Harrison says Stadia can be enjoyed across any screen at launch, including desktops, laptops, TVs, tablets, and phones, so across all different devices. And they demoed the game Assassin's Creed Odyssey, which does not require a console and plays with very low latency, so not much delay when playing the game, which is what gamers want when it comes to very high speed, high performance games. And the Project Stream test successfully streamed at 1080p resolution and 60 frames per second. And at launch, it'll offer 4K resolution of 60 frames per second with HDR and surround sound, which is very impressive. Feature plans include an offering of 8K resolution at 120 frames per second. And this is all via the stream. And the solution will offer 10.7 teraflops of GPU power, which is more than the 6 teraflops for Xbox One X and 4.2 teraflops for PlayStation 4 Pro combined. And many creatives and developers are involved in creating games for the platform, and also has an in-house effort, Stadia Games and Entertainment, which is Google's first party game studio for the project. And in terms of availability, when this launches, it'll be in the US, Canada, UK, and most of Europe. And there's no details on pricing yet. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Google's gaming product? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital and a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.